Hare Krishna. Today I wanted to share how many trades I have traded and where were the price and how was my emotions and whether did I overtrade. I'll inform all that. My trade 1 and trade 2 were actually a wrong trade, like it was an emotional trade. Trade 1 was not a proper entry, but trade 2 was an emotional trade. Due to the trade 1 loss, I traded trade 2. Then trade 3 was in my edge, so I entered at 52. But due to fluctuations, the market hit my stop loss. I was forced to exit at 41 rupees. I exited. My stop loss was it. Rather, it went up. I could have exited at the top, like at 67. There was exit, but I still did not choose to exit because I had to follow my rules. My rule is that either I take my stop loss or the target which I have fixed. So rather I would take stop loss than some small profit, because if I take small profit means it will be a indiscipline also. So I wanted to be in my rules, so I stopped out. Then trade 4 was actually emotional trade, like not like what's emotions means. After the trade was executed, I felt emotionally bad, like the trade was actually in my edge, but the outcome was really emotional. Like I felt very bad because that trade actually hit my stop loss and it went up. So it was a very bad experience for me. Like I trailed my stop loss. Actually my stop loss was at 25 rupees, but I trailed my stop loss to 35. So my stop loss was hit and the market gave its move. uh, when the market was giving its move, I was simply watching. I did not trade again because I knew that if I traded due to emotions, that will also be a loss. So I held my trades. I said to myself that it's okay, even if you had hit your stop loss, don't trade, like don't overtrade or don't trade emotionally. Hold and wait till your edge come. So I waited for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I again got a trade 5. Trade 5 was here only. So trade 5 also hit my stop loss. I entered at 24. My stop loss was at 15. So my trade 5 also hit my stop loss. Like trade, I chose to trade another one trade because I was waiting that trade, like it was hero zero trade and it was in my edge. So I waited for another hour so that market give me a edge, then only I can enter. And the market gave me the edge, then I entered, which recovered all my losses, and at the end of the day I was profitable. I entered here at 10.6 rupees, then I exited at 40. I placed a GTT order at 40, even though the price went high, even though the price went to 120 rupees. I exited at 40 only because I had already placed an order at 40, so it hit the order. After that, the market rallied very high. I felt a little bad that I have missed a large move, but I also felt happy that I recovered my losses and I was at a profitable stage. So I don't want to be greedy here. I want to be happy and I will accept whatever the market has given to me. So at the end of the day, I was at a profitable stage. Then after trade 6, I traded trade 7 and trade 8. The reasons were very simple. The reasons were due to emotions, because after trade 6, I saw the market rallying from here to 100, like it was a very big rally. Due to that, my emotions were a little chaotic and made me to trade another two trades extra, which were absolutely loss making trades. As I have already mentioned, whichever trade we trade in emotions will always be a loss. So according to that, my last two trades were emotional, so it was a loss trade. I also want to show you that see, last eighth trade was also a loss. Eighth, ninth trade also was a loss. Seventh also was a loss, and sixth trade was a profitable one, which recovered all my losses and made me profitable. So this was my day. And I also want to mention that today I have followed my rules. Like 80% I have followed my rules. The only rule I have broke is I have overtraded two trades only. And I also want to mention that those two trades were emotional trades, not like overtrading, like it was emotional. And I'm happy that I waited for my edge. I waited for my edge and I executed only when my edge appeared. So I want to show you whether I have followed my rules or not. After one trade, uh, after two trades, like second trade was emotional trade. Third trade I traded after 1 hour. Like I waited 1 hour to see if I get an edge. After I got confirmation only, I entered the third trade. Then after the third trade, I waited for another hour, like 11:21 to 12:13. Then after again 12:16, I waited for another 1 hour. Like I gave a break after every trade. Like I waited, like I was watching the screen and I was waiting so that any edge may appear, then only I can trade. So I waited, and at the last, I got a trade. Sorry, I waited for that trade, which I waited till last, and I got the trade, which recovered all my losses. I also wanted to show you the GTT order also, where have placed at 40 rupees the sixth trade, which was a hero zero and my edge trade. I entered at 9.6 and exited at 40. It's very good trade actually, according to me, because at a place where I have already lost 8,000 rupees of my capital, I still got an edge and I entered that edge and it hit my target also. So it's a very, very strong trade. So I was happy. Then due to emotions, I traded another two trades extra, which is bad. So tomorrow I will see that I won't be emotional. I won't let my emotions trade me or trade the market.